The MantelMount MM340 pull-down TV mount is purpose-built for installations above a fireplace, letting you lower the screen to a comfortable viewing height and push it back up when you are done. Its generous vertical travel and side-to-side swivel give you a wide range of motion, so you can fine-tune the television position for different seating areas and room layouts. The mount feels solid and overbuilt, with heavy-gauge steel construction that inspires confidence when supporting larger televisions. Helpful pull-down handles, integrated cable routing, and clearly marked adjustments make it easier to operate daily and keep the setup looking tidy. Patented features like automatic leveling and gas-assisted stabilization help the television move smoothly while staying straight, which is especially reassuring with heavier screens. Safety certifications and a long-term warranty add peace of mind, making this a strong choice for anyone wanting a serious above-fireplace mounting solution.